Hi guys, hope this finds you well. This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is cheesy chicken bake. We make these at least once a week or maybe once in a couple of weeks. Well, sometimes twice actually in a week. It depends the mood in the house to prepare this dish. Sometimes we will use cherry tomatoes or tomatoes to make sauce for the chicken, which I'm gonna show you in this following vlog. But most of the times we don't really use the sauce, which means we don't use the potato. So I will give you two options, and I will also explain it in the description. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. Cover your baking pan with aluminum foil, and we're gonna spray it with cooking spray. We're gonna have you can use cherry tomatoes, or this one is grape tomatoes. We love them because they're sweet. So we're gonna have them and we're gonna place them on our greased baking pan. Like so. Now place about 4 skinless, boneless chicken breasts on top of the half tomatoes. They are about 1 kilogram. Now we're gonna slice them, but not cutting through, not slicing through. Now sprinkle some salt or any flavoring you like, and if you prefer you can also add MSG. Now we're gonna spread some mayonnaise, and you would want to spread the mayonnaise inside the slices that you made earlier. You can also, besides salt, MSG, or any flavoring you like, you can also sprinkle it with freshly cracked black pepper, or even using ground white pepper or ground black pepper. But we don't really use them because my youngest is so fussy when there's black pepper in it. Basically, that is it. But you want to top the chicken or the mayo with slices cheese or grated cheese. It's pretty simple, but it's gonna be delish. Now we're gonna bake it on preheated 365 Fahrenheit for 40 to 42 minutes. It's depending how thick your chicken breasts are, but these are rather thick, so we're gonna see between 40 to 42 minutes. Again, preheated 365 Fahrenheit. Take out from the oven, let rest for a bit before serving. But before that, we're gonna make before serving that, we're gonna make a little sauce. So take out the chicken pieces and set to side. Now for the leftover of the tomato and the juice in the pan, we're gonna blender it. So just scoop them and pour them into electric mixer or food processor or a blender, and then you will have a nice sauce for your chicken. This is a nice sauce. It's so delicious and so creamy. You can serve the chicken with the sauce or without. You can serve it with rice and veggies, steamed veggies, or steamed green beans and the chicken itself, or mashed potato. It's up to you. Bon appetit!